Alright, listen up. I'm about to drop some knowledge bombs on how to become jacked and unstoppable. You clicked on this video because you want to be a beast, right? Well, brace yourself, sweet Charlie, because I'm about to show you how becoming strong is actually easy. Yeah, you heard that right. Easy. But don't you dare click away. This ain't some BS clickbait campaign. Stick around, and I'll reveal the secret sauce that'll have you bench pressing small cars in no time. So, whether you're a lazy couch potato or a gym rat, this is for you. Let's get into it. We've all seen those crazy transformations on Instagram, the ones where some dude goes from looking like Pete Davidson on Ozempic to a shredded beast in a few months. And you're sitting there thinking, that'll never be me. But guess what? It can be you. The secret? Consistency, the right techniques, and a mindset that says, I won't be defeated. Today, we're diving into calisthenics, bodybuilding, flexibility, and mental strength. Because the path to strength isn't paved with fancy equipment or magic pills. It's built on good old-fashioned hard work, smart training, and a dash of that secret ingredient I mentioned earlier. Intrigued? Good. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the foundation of strength, resistance training. Now, I'm not just talking about pumping iron like some 80s action movie star with a bad haircut and a sleeveless vest. I'm talking about a well-rounded approach that includes calisthenics, weighted calisthenics, and yes, some good old-fashioned bodybuilding. Let's start with calisthenics, the OG of strength training. These are exercises that use your body weight as resistance. Think push-ups, pull-ups, dips, squats, and planks. The beauty of calisthenics is that you can do them anywhere, anytime. No gym membership required. Plus, they're fantastic for building functional strength. You know, the kind that actually helps you in real life, not just for flexing in the mirror like some Instagram douchebag with a spray tan. Now, once you've mastered basic calisthenics, it's time to level up with weighted calisthenics. This is where shit gets real. Adding resistance to your body weight exercises, it's like putting your strength gains on steroids. If you can do pull-ups with an extra 20 pounds strapped to you, regular pull-ups will feel like a walk in the park. Or strap on a weight vest while doing your push-ups. Suddenly, those exercises that were getting too easy are kicking your ass again. And trust me, your muscles will thank you for it, even if your mind is cursing you out. Next, onto bodybuilding. Bodybuilding isn't just about looking like a Greek god, though that's a sweet bonus. It's about building serious muscle and functional strength. Get your ass under a barbell and hit those compound lifts. Bench press, deadlifts, squats. These bad boys target multiple muscle groups and are incredible for building raw strength. Just remember, form is key. Don't be that guy ego lifting more than he can handle. You'll end up looking like a fish flopping on dry land, and nobody wants to see that shit. And to top it off, throw in some isolation exercises to fine-tune those weak spots. Boom, you're a beast. Now, here's where most people screw up. They think strength is all about lifting heavy shit. But guess what? Flexibility is just as important. Yeah, I said it. Flexibility, the unsung hero of strength training. Don't skip it, you stiff bastard. Stretching and mobility work should be part of your routine. Flexibility exercises help prevent injuries, improve your range of motion, and even increase your strength potential so that you'll move better and lift more. Flexibility makes you dangerous in the gym and in life. So yeah, do some yoga, foam rolling, dynamic stretches, and for the love of all that's holy, don't skip your warm-ups, unless you want to end up walking like a 90-year-old with a bad hip. Alright, now that we've covered the physical stuff, let's talk about something equally important. Rest. Yeah, I know, it sounds counterintuitive, but hear me out. Your muscles don't grow when you're working out, they grow when you're resting. So if you're hitting the gym 7 days a week thinking you're some kind of superhero, you're actually sabotaging your gains. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of solid sleep every night. Listen to your body. Don't overtrain. Take rest days and let your body recover. Rest is just as important as your workouts. Trust me, your future self will thank you instead of cursing your name every time you try to get out of bed. Now, let's talk fuel. You can't build a house without bricks, and you can't build muscle without proper nutrition. And you can't out-train a bad diet. Fuel your body with clean, whole foods. Protein is your best friend here. Aim for about 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. And no, that doesn't mean you need to chug protein shakes until you puke. There are plenty of great protein sources out there. Lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, lentils. You know the drill. Protein is king for muscle repair and growth. Eat right, lift heavy, and watch the gains roll in. And yes, there are even some strictly plant-based options for you veggie lovers out there. Just don't come at me with that tofu bullshit. But here's the thing, it's not just about protein. You need a balanced diet with plenty of complex carbs for energy and healthy fats for hormone production. However, stay clear of the refined and highly processed sugars and carbs. And for the love of gains, stay hydrated. Water is another unsung hero of strength training. It's like the roadie of the band. Nobody notices it, but without it, the whole show falls apart. Now, here's where things get interesting. All this strength you're building, it's not just for show. Learning how to use your strength effectively can be a game changer, especially when it comes to self-defense. I'm not saying you should go around picking fights, but knowing how to protect yourself and your loved ones is a valuable skill. Consider taking up martial arts. It's practical, boosts your confidence, and lets you put those muscles to good use. Not only will it teach you how to use your strength effectively, but it'll also improve your coordination, balance, and mental toughness. Plus, it's a great way to stay motivated and challenge yourself in new ways. And let's be real, there's something satisfying about knowing you could kick someone's ass if you needed to. Knowing you can handle yourself in a tough situation, that's priceless. Be strong, be ready. Speaking of mental toughness, let's talk about the most important muscle of all, your brain. Mental strength is just as crucial as physical strength. In fact, I'd argue it's even more important. You can have all the muscle in the world, but if you don't have the mental fortitude to push through when things get tough, you're not going to get far. You'll just be a big, useless lump of meat. Stay disciplined, set clear goals, and don't let setbacks derail you. Less whining, more winning. Your mind gives up before your body does. Train your brain to be as tough as your muscles. Develop a growth mindset, embrace challenges, learn from failures, set goals, and crush them. Meditation and mindfulness practices can be incredibly helpful here. They'll help you stay focused, manage stress, and maintain a positive attitude. And no, meditation doesn't mean you have to sit cross-legged chanting Om like some hippie. It's about training your mind to focus and stay calm under pressure. Now remember that secret ingredient I mentioned earlier? Well, here it is. Consistency. Yeah, I know, it's not sexy. It's not a magic pill or a revolutionary new technique. But it's the one thing that separates the strong from the weak, the successful from the wannabes. Consistency means showing up day after day, even when you don't feel like it. It means sticking to your nutrition plan, even when that pizza is calling your name. It means pushing through one more rep when your muscles are screaming at you to stop. All right, you warrior, you've got the blueprint. Time to take action. But before you go, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more no BS killer content. And hey, if you're feeling extra strong today, why not share this video with a friend who needs a swift kick in the ass to start their strength journey? Drop a comment on what strength tips work best for you. Let's build this community strong. There you have it. The secret to becoming strong isn't actually a secret at all. It's a combination of smart training, proper nutrition, adequate rest, and an unbreakable mindset. And the best part? It's all within your reach. You just gotta reach out and grab it by the balls. Remember, becoming strong isn't just about lifting heavy weights or having big muscles. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, both physically and mentally. So get out there, start training, and show the world what you're made of. Because trust me, you're capable of more than you think. Now go crush it, you magnificent beast.